Hello friends. Today we will talk about Introduction to Regression Analysis and its importance. Regression analysis is a statistical technique used to understand the relationship between two or more variables. It helps us predict or estimate the value of one variable based on the values of other variables. Key components of regression analysis. Dependent variable, the variable we want to predict or explain. Independent variables, the variables used to predict or explain the dependent variable. Regression line, the line that best fits the data, representing the relationship between the variables. Residuals, the differences between the observed values and the predicted values by the regression line.
Types of regression analysis. Simple linear regression involves one independent variable and one dependent variable. Multiple linear regression involves more than one independent variable and one dependent variable. Polynomial regression captures nonlinear relationships by using polynomial functions. Importance of regression analysis. A. Relationship identification. Regression analysis helps identify and quantify the relationship between variables. It allows us to understand how changes in one variable affect another, aiding in decision-making. B. Prediction and estimation. Regression analysis enables us to predict or estimate the values of the dependent variable based on the independent variables. This helps in forecasting, planning, and setting realistic expectations.
C. Variable selection and model building. Regression analysis helps in determining which independent variables are significant in explaining the variation in the dependent variable. It assists in building models that simplify complex relationships and identify key drivers. D. Hypothesis testing. Regression analysis facilitates hypothesis testing by assessing the statistical significance of the relationship between variables. It helps evaluate whether the observed relationship is real or due to chance.
Real-life applications. Economics, analyzing the impact of factors like price, income, and demographics on consumer demand. Finance, predicting stock prices based on financial indicators and market trends. Marketing, understanding how advertising expenditure affects sales and consumer behavior.